Hello. In the last class, we have attempted various problems on present value of annuity, wherein we have calculated the problem or solution through the present value annuity tables. The annuity tables, no doubt, are going to be very useful. Sometimes in the examinations, they might not be giving you the tables. So in such circumstances, how do you solve this particular problem? Or if you are very good with the calculators or a computer, through Excel sheet also we can find out the present value of annuity. So how do you solve this particular problem? Through a formula. The present value of annuity can be computed by using this particular formula, which says that present value of annuity is equal to annuity divided by I into 1 minus I, 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus I whole over of n. Let us use this particular formula to calculate the present value of annuity for this particular problem. Let us first understand what this particular problem is all about. Here he says that a person is likely to get rupees 9,876 every year for the next 7 years. If the discount rate is 5%, find the present value of this money. We have to understand that whenever it is related to present value, they call I as a discount rate. So if you are getting 1 rupee at the end of the year, what is the present value? So how much discount we have to do to understand what is the discount rate through which we are going to discount the maturity value or the future value of money to understand the present value. So you have to understand that it is this discount rate is now I in our problem. So let us read the problem again. A person is likely to get 9,876 every year for next 7 years. So let us understand that A is nothing but here 9,876 and I is 5%, that is nothing but 0.05. Then N is nothing but 7 years. Find the present value of the money. Let us use this particular formula for computing the present value of annuity. So the formula present value of annuity is equivalent to A divided by I multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus I whole power of n. This is the formula given to us. So let us substitute the values here. What are the values? A is given as rupees 9,876 rupees. A is given as rupees 9,876 rupees. I is given as 5%, which I can take it as 5 divided by 100, which is going to be 0.05. Then N is given to you as 7 years. So the present value, let us substitute the values here. Rupees 9,876 rupees divided by 0.05 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 0.05 whole number of how many years? 7 years. So let us find out the values here. Now it is given as 9876 divided by 0.05. This works out to 197,520 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by, this is 1 plus 0.05 is nothing but 1.05. So 1.05 to the power of 7. So this is going to give you 1.407. 1.407. Then this is going to be 1 divided by, that is 197520 into 1 minus 1 divided by 1.407. How much? 0.7107. 0.7107. So this is going to be 1 minus 0.7107 is going to be 0.2893 multiplied by 197520. So the amount is which we are going to receive is equivalent to 57,142.57 142 actually 142.50. You can take that particular amount. So this is how you are going to solve this particular problem, wherein I am using a annuity, present value of annuity formula to compute the present value of the flows which are coming at a later date. So if you are going to get 9,876 rupees every year for 7 years, how much it is actually? Let us look at it. 9,876 multiplied by 7. Actually, you are getting 69,132. But it is not equivalent to the present value. They are coming at a later date. So what is the present value of that particular thing? It is equivalent to 57,142.50. This is how you are going to solve the problem. Thank you.